First step in calibrating your scale is to shut the machine off. And then you can go to the back side of the machine and take these two screws out with your T20 torque bit. And once you take this plate out, there will be a switch underneath of it. Right about here, and it's going to be all the way to one side. Flip it all the way to the other side, and that is in calibration mode.
Stop! This training video on Bizerba equipment is provided as a customer service to Vande scale customers who have purchased Bizerba product from Vande scales in the past. Since 2015, Vande Scales has stopped selling Bizerba and designed our own weight price labeling product so that we can properly support our valued customers. The Vande Scales weight price labeling product is specifically designed to endure the rigors of the processing plant environment, being extremely robust. The Vande Scales weight price labeling equipment is designed to be lower cost to purchase, easier and simpler to operate, much lower cost to maintain, much lower cost to service, and easily serviced by your own technicians while being washdown capable and extremely durable. We have felt your weight price labeling pain over the years and promise not to overprice parts or services, keep the design simple, and use normal industry available parts. Vande Scales still has a large inventory of Bizerba parts that we will eagerly offer substantial discounts to you on. If you have not explored the Vande Scales weight price labeling equipment, you owe it to yourself to have a look. We are confident that once you understand the advantages, you will purchase Vande Scales weight price labeling product.
After you have the calibration switch on, you can go to the front and turn the power on, and it's going to take a little bit to boot up, but once the machine boots up, then you can go into mode 6. After the machine is turned on, you can go into mode 5 at first, so you can get into mode 6. So go mode 5, okay. VBS, okay. Then hit mode again, and hit number 6 will now appear for to get into calibration mode. And the password is okay. Then you can go under scale config, WS10CW, and then adjustments and factors. And now you can hit calibrate. It'll ask you to provide a zero load. You can have nothing on the scale and then press OK. And then now you'll want to apply your max load. Now you can set your max load in the middle of the scale. Now you can press OK. And then it'll tell you that you can switch off the device and move the jumper on the back that we first moved to calibration mode back to its original spot. So now you can press OK. Now you can shut the machine off. When you power it off, then you can go to the back, put that switch back in its normal spot, and put the cover back on.